Hey there, 410 family. It's time once again for your market update. Hi, I'm Jason Geroux. I'm the designated broker and owner of 410 Real Estate, a multi-million-dollar producing real estate brokerage here in Gilbert. Before we get started talking about the market and the statistics that we have from December, which is the most recent we have, the January ones are not quite out yet. I do want to ask you, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so that you're notified when we post videos like this. We like to post real estate videos, helpful mindset videos. We highlight different local businesses around the area that you can support. So we would love to have you as part of the 410 family by having you subscribe to the channel. So let's talk market update here in Phoenix for the month of December. As I mentioned, numbers are a little bit delayed. It takes a couple weeks to compile everything, but I wanted to at least give you the update as of the end of 2021. So in December, we had 8,800 homes that sold through the MLS during the month of December. That is up 3% from November, but down about 9% from the year before. We had 8,648 homes on the market. So what does that tell you? 8,800 sold, 8,600 on the market now. We have less than a month's supply on the market, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. Keep in mind, of the 8,650 homes on the market, about 31% of those, 33% of those actually, are under contract already. So only about 65% of that number is actually available to purchase. So again, 0.98 of a month supply right now on the market in Phoenix. Average prices are up 19% year over year. 19%. Those of you that invest in the stock market or bonds or other types of investments, I don't know of many that get you 19% annually. So real estate in the past year has been a fantastic investment. And the median price is actually up 30% year over year. The average price right now is $528,900. The median price is $427,000. Yeah, $529,000. Last year it was under $450,000. So if you've owned a home for at least a couple of years here in Arizona, you probably are doing pretty well from an equity position. We are forecasting an increase in January for both the average sale and the median sale. So we'll see what happens in that when those numbers come out. People ask a lot still about foreclosures. They're hearing things in the news about risk of foreclosures due to the mortgage forbearances ending and things like that. We only had 733 homes in total that were considered distressed, which is foreclosure, pre-foreclosure, short sale. So that's only about 0.1% of our market. So still nothing to really worry about at this point. Average days on market for December was 36. It sounds like a lot. It's actually down a week year over year, but up a couple of days month over month. December's traditionally a little bit slower of a month just because nobody really likes to move during the month of December. And so we do see some delays in getting properties sold, but with supply so low, we still moved those properties pretty quickly. And also keep in mind that 36 days does include when you put, there's two statuses in the MLS. There's an under contract status and there's a pending status. So those are two different statuses. If the agent chooses to use under contract status, that actually keeps the days going, keeps the days counting. If you go into pending status, then that's actually where the cutoff is going to be. So a lot of those homes are still selling in a matter of a couple of days, but the agents want backup offers, so they put it in under contract, accepting backup status, and that keeps the days rolling. So those days on market may be a little bit skewed. So what's all this mean? I'm a broken record as always, but low supply, high demand. We're still seeing prices going up. The prognosticators of prognosticators that are out there are suggesting that for the next 3 to 4 years, we're still going to see this kind of a run on real estate. It does not mean that we'll see 30% year over year growth for the next 4 years, but it does mean that we will continue to see a high demand for real estate going forward. So what does that mean to you? If you don't own your home and you rent your home, and we'll talk about rentals real fast as well. The average rent in Phoenix right now is $22.41. So what does that mean? If you're renting your home, that's about a $450,000 home in this market that you potentially could purchase if you obviously have the credit and the other requirements that go with it. But it might be something to explore if you're renting your home. Why keep paying someone else's mortgage when you can pay your own, get the tax advantages, get all those things as well, and have the dream of home ownership come true as well? If you own your home, you could be looking at investment properties at this point. The suggestions that we're hearing from, again, the experts out there are saying that we should be buying up as much real estate as we possibly can if real estate investment is what you want to do. real estate is always and has always been the best hedge of against inflation. So that means it's going to outperform inflation, and long term it's going to do better than inflation. In most cases, always has. Time to buy investment properties might be now for you. And if you think you're priced out of the market in Phoenix, I hear that all the time. Well, prices here, I can't get an investment property. Maybe not. I have a national network that I can connect you with, and we're hearing from people in Kansas City, St. Louis, Greensboro, North Carolina, El Paso, Texas, places like that that are still have lower average sale prices, but they're still seeing great cash flow in terms of rentals. So if you're interested in investing, but you think you might be priced out here in Phoenix, I'd love to connect you with somebody elsewhere that can talk to you about those potentials also. I hope this information about the market has been helpful. I'm looking forward to getting the new January numbers out so I can get you another update. If this information is helpful, please do me a favor, share this video on your social media for me. Hit the like button as well. That really helps us out if you do that. But I really appreciate you tuning in, being part of the 410 family, and we will see you again on our next video.